Welcome back, aliens. I'm Navin Reddy from Telesco Learnings. And if you see this channel, we have so many videos, right? We have videos on Java, we have videos on Android, we have on networking. And if we talk about Java itself, in Java, we have different modules, right? We have core Java, we have the advanced part, where we have Spring Framework, where we have Hibernate, right? So we have all these videos. And recently, last month, we have gone live for Java tutorials. I was making my entire website again on live on YouTube, right? So I hope you have seen those videos, and it was helpful for lots of people. And then I got some requests for Android as well. So they were asking me when I will make Android videos again. So it's actually not possible. Okay, so we cannot say not possible, but then it is very difficult for me to again go back to Android now because I'm working on Java frameworks. I'm working on Spring Framework, which is Spring itself is so big. I'm working on Spring Security, Spring Boot, Spring Data. So I'm focusing more on Spring now because I'm a corporate trainer. I work as an enterprise trainer, right? So I have to work more on Spring side. But just because I'm getting lots of requests, I'm also planning to redesign my Android app, which has already been made now. So my interns have worked on this. As you can see, we already have an app now. Okay, let me just focus on that. And okay, so we already have an app. I don't know how visible it is there, but then okay. I think it's quite visible. So if I click on this, and if you want to learn, so again, this app, the old app is already there on the App Store. Okay, this is the new app, and we have made some changes to make it more effective, and design is better than the last one. Okay, so again, this is under development now, and if you can see, we have videos on all the different modules. So whatever video you will find on YouTube, all the videos are there here as well, right? Why this? Because there are lots of people, they want to travel when they want to watch my videos, so they can do this. Again, you can use YouTube app as well, but there are lots of distraction there. So this is what you say, a non-destructive app or distractive app. Okay, what do you say? Doesn't matter, right? So if you can scroll, we have all these videos here. We also have a test module which we are still working on that. There are some bugs there, and okay. So we have the code module. So this is what I'll be doing live. Okay. Now this live session will be for those people who are new to Android. So if you have already been to, if you are already an Android developer, this will not be that helpful for you. But then if you are learning Android and then you don't know how to make a project, because there are lots of tutorials on YouTube, they teach you what is Android, but they don't teach you how to make a project. In fact, I missed that part in my last year videos on Android. So now what we are doing here is, I'll be making this app live on YouTube so that you can learn how to make an application, right? Now again, I'm still confused to put these videos on Telesco Learnings or Telesco Pro, because we are planning to do that. Maybe I'll be going for Telesco Learnings or Telesco Pro. Let's see how it goes. If you can, okay, you have to help me with this. If you want these videos on Telesco Learning, so do share this video a lot. Do share this video with your friends. If I get enough number of viewers and subscribers on this channel, I will do that in Telesco Learnings. Or if I feel there's no much of growth in this channel, I'm going for Telesco Pro, because I'm getting lots of messages also because they are getting disturbed by these videos. You know, there are lots of subscribers on this channel only for Java. They don't want Android videos. They don't want live sessions. So I have a Pro channel now where we'll be having limited people. I don't want a much crowd there. I want limited people, and then that channel is a subscription channel, right? And if you want to, because I have to support other thing as well, right? I have to buy this camera, a good camera, right? That you can see that autofocus there. Okay, so we want good lights, we want good background to make the content, the quality of videos much better, right? And the subscription charges are very costly. You have to pay 1 lakh rupees per month, and that's a very big amount, right? Okay, it's very less. It's 95 rupees per month. Okay, and if you're paying in dollars, it will be $2, right? So it's not a big amount for you, right? So it is an introductory offer. If you want, in future it may change, right? Introductory, it will be 95 rupees per month and $2, right? Okay, let's keep that aside. The main thing is, I'll be making this app, but the question arises, using which language? As you know that now we have two official languages for Java. We have Kotlin and we have Java. For Android, we have Kotlin and Java. Now, okay. So which one to choose? Maybe Java, because lots of projects are already built on Java, and then it will take some time for the industry to use Kotlin as the first language for Android. Still, there are lots of projects. What is lots of projects? There are 99% of projects which are still working on Java. Only 1 or 0.5%, what you can say, projects are built using Kotlin now. But in future, it will change. They will be preferring Kotlin more. So I'm planning to make this application using two languages, Java and Kotlin both. Initially, we'll start with Java, and later we'll convert this code into Kotlin, and we will also learn how to convert the existing project into Kotlin. So it will be an amazing experience. Let me know your thoughts. This module or this thing is still in planning stage. I will give you more details on the Telescope group. So you have to make sure that you go to Facebook and search for Telescope group, because the future updates will be coming on that group. And do like our Facebook page, because you will be getting lots of updates there. So from when we're starting this, how it will be going, the timing will be published in that group itself. So I hope you're excited. I'm excited. My team is excited here. I hope, in fact, my nephews are also excited. So yeah, we'll see in the live session, everyone. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So do subscribe and do share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.